Oh, speed and fluidness in our devices. Oh, that's something that we all crave. We want our phones to run smoothly and no glitches, no lagginess, no nothing. But as much as these OEMs try to give us the best that they have, the best in their UIs, and of course Android giving us the best that they have with their OS, sometimes you download a lot of apps, you're gonna get a lot of clutter on that CPU. So the guys that brought you the Do battery saver, well, we got something else too that will also work with that battery saver to help your device run better, and that is the Do Speed Booster. Let's take a look inside, shall we? The Do Speed Booster is basically what it says to do. It speeds up your device. It helps with performance. Right when you open it up from the get-go, you will see that your phone is running at a certain number, and of course you want your phone to be running 100%, but it's not always going to be running like that when you open up apps or have background apps. So if you want to give your phone a quick little speed, you can open the app and hit the little circle, and of course it'll run its little process. It'll say it's boosting your device, it's cleaning the trash, it's killing running apps, it's forbidding auto start apps, and there you go. You have just been boosted. Of course, you can actually hit the phone boost function on here, and it'll actually tell you how much of your memory is being used. It'll give you an exact number to the millibyte, and then it'll actually show you, you could scroll down and see which apps are taking up what percentage or how many megabytes the app is taking up. And then of course you could hit the release button and boom, they are released and your phone will hopefully run a little faster. You gotta love the graphics and animation of this app. That's what I really love about this app. It's very futuristic, very fluid, and I love the animations that it gives. The trash cleaner, same thing. I mean, it pretty much, the phone boost does the same thing, but if you open up the trash cleaner, it does the same thing. It calculates everything that's going on in your phone with memory, with catch, with everything, useless APKs. It really just gives you the details that you want, and as soon as it stops, you can just clean it up right there. Boom, you are finished. Then you can go into your app manager, which basically is just something that helps you out. If you want to uninstall apps quickly and easily, you don't want to go into your application settings and do it right there, you could do it right here. It's all there, simple for you. That's if you want to get rid of certain apps that may be running in the background. They also got an APK manager. If you're one of those that has a lot of APKs on your phone, you can get rid of them pretty easily with this app. There's also a speed test feature within this app, which is kind of cool. I'm glad they do this, but I don't think it runs that well. This is the only gripe I have with this phone because, as you can see right here, it's showing that I'm getting kind of slow speeds, and I have Verizon Fios. If I were to run a normal speed test on another app, it would show that I'd be getting 30 down and 30 up. So it doesn't really work too well. Maybe, it's whatever. I'm not using this app for the speed test of my network. Security, of course, everybody wants security on their phone. You can do a quick antivirus scan. You don't have to have a separate app, which is nice. And of course, if you have a little time, it'll just scan right through all your apps and make sure they are bug-free. Then, of course, the battery saver just works with the Do Battery Saver app, which I did a review on. Check the channel if you haven't seen it already. It works together. But I would say the best feature that's on this app is this little floating widget that you could put on your home screen. It gives you the number that your CPU is running, and if you click it, it brings up a floating window which has a lot of features on it. You could do the boost button, which if you click that, it'll show you just how faster it is after the boost has been done, and it also gives you some toggles right here, like a little power bar, which is kind of nice. And then also it can give you a game booster. It'll show your games all right here, and if you were to click open that game, it would actually boost the game for you and then open it up, which is pretty nice. So there you have it, folks. That is the Do Speed Booster for your device. It's nice, it's clean, it's easy to use, and it does help free up that RAM on your device. So I suggest getting into the Play Store, check it out, give it a shot, see if you like it. Let me know if you like it down below. Also hit that like, thumbs up button if you'd be so kind. Subscribe to the AndroidSPIN channel if you haven't already. Subscribe to, well, any other channels that are down there too. There's a lot of things that click down there, folks. So appreciate you guys watching. I am Dave. I'll talk to you later.